Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Madeline. If you're new here, I do beauty, mom hauls, mom vlogs, hauls, clothing videos, everything. I do everything, and yeah, I would like you guys, if you want to, subscribe, and yeah, come on my journey as we go through momhood and we learn how to do our makeup, you know, because I'm just learning. So yeah guys, today I have a haul. I have a lot of stuff to show you. But first, we'll do the e.l.f. haul. I saw everybody was buying from e.l.f. and you know what, I'm like, I want some things too. I've always had, like, I had my eye on a few things, but I wouldn't get it. But I'm like, everybody's getting it, so I mean, I know they're good, so might as well get them too. And yeah guys, so I have this, and then I have, you know, my Facebook group addiction that I shop from these Facebook groups a lot, so I have a huge box over here. So yeah guys, let's get into this video. But yeah, if you like unboxings or hauls, like my video, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I do a lot of these, so because I have a shopping problem. But yeah guys, join me. So let's start with the e.l.f. I already opened the box, like I opened it because it makes a lot of noise, and it was actually so hard to open it. Look, this is what I got. Sorry, so many flaps. Why so many flaps? You see that? Okay, so this is what I got. So let's see guys. Oh my god, who watches Juicy Jazz? I got these lashes because she said they were really good, and they are so pretty. They're the drama queen. Look at them guys, so pretty. Okay, send you a little card. Okay guys, the next thing I got is this primer infused blush. Oh my god, if you watch Andrea Montiliano, I know she loves these. So I got this in Always Rosy. Got this one. Oh my god, I cannot even get it out. This is what I've been practicing all the time. Okay guys, so it's like this. Let's watch this. And then, oh my god, that's so pretty. Can you even see? What is it? Like, you can't see it. But guys, it's so pretty. It's right here. Oh my god, it's gonna be beautiful. I love these colors. These and peach colors. Oh my god, my favorite. Next I got is this one. I got Always Peachy. Right here guys. Oh my god, so beautiful. I love that color. Okay, then I got the bronzer, the primer infused bronzer in Perpetually Tan. Guys, I believe all of these are $6 or $8. No, $6. They're all $6. I was making a mess. This is in Perpetually Tan. Look guys. I love this color. It's right here. I could probably even use this as a blush. Okay. Then I got the Halo Gold setting powder because I know Juicy Jazz loves this, so I had to get this too. She says it's really good. And then I got the matte setting powder in medium beige, and I got this because of Taisha. She says this is really good, so I hope it works for me. Then I got this matte, blotting mist. I heard if you're oily, it's really good. Like right now, I feel like I'm getting oily. Let's try it, guys. Let's try it. Let's see if it works. Wow, but the spray is so harsh. Oh man. It's a harsh spray, guys. What do you think? Well, let's see. Let's let it dry. Let's see. That was such a in your face spray. And you guys let me know because I was feeling a little oily. But you guys let me know if it works or not. Okay, then I got a few brushes. I got the detail crease, yeah. Whoops. Then I got the blending eye. Then I got the concealer brush. And this brow brush by Juicy Jack. This is really good too. So, you know, I follow her religiously. And then I got this hand sanitizer, you know, it's free. Oh, and I have more. I'm running out of space. Sorry guys, I'm just making a mess here. Okay, then I got this white primer. I actually used this today under these colors, and look guys, oh my god, this is amazing. I was iffy about getting that because like it had reviews, but some of them were good, some of them were bad. But I'm like, you know what, it's $5, let me get it. And guys, I am so glad because look at these eyeshadows, beautiful. And then I got the jalapeno bite size, so cute. And then they sent this for free too. The aqua blush in bronze park beige. Oh guys, I think that they met me out. Oh, I like it. Oh, I love that spray. Guys, you gotta get it. If you're oily like me, you gotta get that spray. Oh man, that was so good. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh. Oh, like that. Look. It's pretty. Oh man, that bronzer's pretty. This is right here. These two right here. See them? Yeah, right here. I don't know if you can see them, but they're there. Oh, they're so pretty. I like it. I like this. And that was my e.l.f. haul, guys. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you what I got from my Facebook groups. Oh, you got a lot of stuff. Okay guys, next onto this big box. Oh my god guys, this huge box. Look at this. Oh, okay, let's start with this box on top. Let's start with this box on top. These are 5 packages, okay? But one of them, oh my god. So I guess the seller got confused and she sent me some other girl's order. But luckily I tracked down the girl and we're switching our orders because she has mine. So we're gonna send each other our orders. Like tomorrow I'm sending hers and she's sending mine. But oh my god, guys, the story here is the seller, I contact her on Messenger on Facebook. No response. Okay, so I did the a PayPal claim. Like, hello? This is before I tracked the girl down. So I do the claim, right? And there she messages me, oh, I don't remember this buyer. A lot of girls buy from me and she didn't even message me about this or anything, and I don't know who this is. And I'm like, what? I sent you a message on Facebook, like before I even did the claim. Like, this girl hasn't even answered my messages on Facebook. So what am I supposed to do? So what do you guys think? Since we are switching our packages with the girl, should I still go through with the claim or not? Because like I'm gonna have to pay to get the girl her things shipped, and she has to pay again so she could ship my things. This is so uncool though. Like, at least give us a partial refund. How did you even make that mistake? Like, my name is Madeline, the other girl is Tiffany. Not even close. How do you make that mistake? Anyway, I don't know, but yeah. Okay, but this seller was great. And here I got 2 lipsticks, guys, 2 Anastasia lipsticks. This is in color nude, what I'm wearing today. Look at this, guys, it's beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, I die for these colors, guys. And I want to put it all in one box because it's time to put away. And then this one is in Spice. Look at that, it's so pretty. Right here. Oh, I love these colors, guys. And then I know this is like an oldie already, but I got the Becca Hydro Mist. Oh my god, I hear this is so good. I hope it is. And then I got the Soul Palette from ColourPop. Guys, some of these things are already swatched because I swatched them and because they came swatched. But this is like new, so good. And then I got the Just Peach Mattes. Oh my god, guys, these are my colors, they're so good. I hate these palettes though, they're so hard to open. Oh, there we go. Look at this. So pretty, I can't wait to use this. Okay, next package, guys. Oh my god, my favorite. My daughter ripped the box, but I did this look. You guys see this? I did this look with this. The Glitter Real Summerita. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, isn't this beautiful? Sorry, the background noise, that's my daughter. But guys, that's so beautiful. I love it, and they work beautifully. The next one is this Obsessed Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I believe these are indie brands. And look at this, guys. Taking off the film, trash, and that's that. Oh my god, look at these, so pretty. I'll do some swatches, but I don't have space on my arm. But I'll be using them more often. By the way, I heard really good things about the Summerita. And then the last one, Dove Cosmetics, the green one. Look at this, guys, so beautiful. Oh my god, I die. They're so cute. So cute. Okay, that's that package. Okay, next. Okay. So here, she sent me this for free, is a chocolate coffee self-heating clay facial mask. It's really cool. She also sent me this for free, the Tarte Charmed Lip Surgeons. It's pink. I don't know when I'll wear this. I'll probably wear this to bed because it's lip balm, and those hot pink colors are not my color. Like, they're not for me. Then I got this NARS blush. It's in Isadora. Oh, that's beautiful, guys. Look at that right here. So pretty. And then I got this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Right here. It's really good too. It's my first time owning that, so yeah. Oh, she sent me this loose glitter also. Guys, I hate glitter though because it gets everywhere. It's so hard to work with. Like, it's not hard to work with, it just gets everywhere. Look at my nose highlight, guys. Whoa. Trying to open this. And then is the Pick Perf from the Balm. So beautiful. I love those colors too. Guys, I'm starting to like get out of my comfort zone and go for more colorful looks because I'm always doing the browns, but I wanted to try more colorful looks like this. I love this. And then a ton of lipsticks here. Look at all this. This is the third package, or fourth. This is the fourth package. Okay, guys. So I got the Lineage Water Sleeping Mask. It's new in this little box. And then I got the Rimmel Trendsetter lipstick. I love this color. Look, guys. So pretty. Filming my daughter in the background right here. Oh, I love it. And Aaliyah, what are you doing? You're gonna break it. Oh, that hurts. And then I got this Maybelline. I can't tell the number or anything, but it's this one. Oh my god, when I took it off, like I took the cap off in the morning and I went and it hit right there. Like, look at that. That's right here. Right here. Sorry guys, I'm not flipping you off. It's right here. It's really pretty too. Love it. Okay guys, next thing I have is this CoverGirl Melting Pout Vinyl Balm. It's a lip gloss, guys. I just can't read it says Nudist Dream. Okay, it's Nudist Dream. Okay, and I'm gonna swatch it right here for you guys. I love this, it's so pretty. Isn't that cute? Look, I love these colors. Guys, I'm sorry if you can hear my husband's music. He's so loud. He's in the other room and he's so loud. Obnoxious man. Okay. Next is this NYX Liquid Illuminator. I don't know how I'm gonna use this, but I think you mix it with a foundation if I'm not mistaken. I'll try it, but I'm really oily, so I don't know. I don't know, guys. Okay, next. Oh, guys, I got the Protégé Suva palette. I think this was from BoxyCharm. Isn't it so pretty though? Oh, browns are my favorite colors. Like, I know I have to like not use so much browns all the time, but I love them, so I will. Oh, next, also the Tartelette. Look at this, guys. It's Tartelette Toasted. Oh, I love her tart palette smell. It smells like chocolate. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love it so. I love that. And next, what is this? Okay, next one is Rimmel in First Class Nude. Yeah, First Class Nude. Look at this. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put that right here. Look at this, guys. It's so pretty. With the brown lip liner. So pretty. So pretty. And the last two are these two glosses. They both say 800 rosy lipped. They both say that, but they look like two different colors. Or maybe I'm crazy. But look. Let's do this one here. Like right here. That's this one. You see that? You see that there? And then this one. I feel like they're different. And right here is this one. Right? They're different. It's not me. They're different. But then I could be wrong. Let me know. Let me know in the comments, guys. Anyway, that's it for this. I think that's all I have. Yeah. Everything's falling. Yeah, that's all I have, guys. And then this bad package that I don't even want to show because it's not what I wanted. So yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, that's my haul. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up or a like, comment, subscribe, guys. I do a lot of hauls. I haven't done any outfit video, but I wanna do one really soon. But yeah, guys, and yeah, let me know what you think of this makeup. I really tried. I spent like an hour on the eyeshadow, guys. Not because it was hard, but because, or it was hard to work with, but because I wanted it to be like good. Like, I don't know. I'm a little perfectionist, so yeah, guys, let me know what you think on it, and yeah, comment down below what you like, what's good, what is not good, if you have tried any of these products, guys. So yeah, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye, guys.